Learn correlative conjunction. Njiko na-eso ibe with examples ọmụmatụ. Remember, this is the third type of conjunction we have. We call it correlative conjunction. Njiko na-eso ibe, meaning they are following each other. They come in pairs. Let's see the examples. Igbo, English. Number one example says ma, 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 ma. Meaning in English, both and, both and. So, both in Igbo means ma, and in Igbo means ma also. Another example, nka ma obu, nka ma obu, meaning either or, either or. Another one says, ọ bụghị nke ọ ga-abụ, ọ bụghị nke ọ ga-abụ, meaning neither nor, neither nor. Another one says, ma obu, ma obu, meaning whether or, whether or. Another one says, ọ bụghị sọ kama, ọ bụghị sọ kama, ọ bụghị sọ kama, meaning not only but, not only but. Another one says, naanị nke mere, naanị nke mere, meaning such that, such that. Another one says, ọ kamgbe, ọ kamgbe, meaning scarcely when, scarcely when. Another one says, ngwa ngwa ka, ngwa ngwa ka, meaning no sooner than, no sooner than. Remember, you are going to understand them better when we put them in sentences. Let us have two examples. Ọmụmatụ. Igbo, English. Number one example says, ego nwere ma iko ma ngaji. Ego nwere iko ma ngaji. Ego nwere ma iko ma ngaji, meaning ego has both cup and a spoon. Remember, both in Igbo means ma, and in Igbo also means ma. That is, this ma under correlative conjunction. Remember, they come in pairs. Another example, aga m aga ahịa. Aga m aga ahịa ma ọ bụ ugbo. Aga m aga ahịa ma ọ bụ ugbo, meaning I will go either market or farm. I will go either market or farm. Aga m aga ahịa ma ọ bụ ugbo. Remember, either in Igbo, we don't have it. This is the vacant of it. We don't have either in Igbo. We only have or. Or means ma obu, ma obu. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Ask any question if you need our help. Bye.